Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to factory reset your Google Nest Cam including both wired and battery powered models. Now before resetting the camera, you need to remember that factory reset removes all the saved settings. That includes the Wi-Fi information, the device pairing, the activity zones and the Google Home app connections as well. So after the reset, the camera must be set up again from the beginning. So in order to reset it, you just have to simply locate the small reset button near the charging port or on the back of the camera. So it will be placed over here. So it is going to look something like this. So you need to simply press and hold the power button for at least 12 seconds until you hear a chime or until the status light changes. Now keep holding until the reset process begins completely. Once it is finishes, the camera will restart in the setup mode. So then you just have to follow further instructions in order to basically set it up again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.